Did other writers come to visit your homes?
Constantly, constantly. I forgot to mention when you asked me about what the Yiddish world was like when she arrived. There was Ida Maze had a salon, and my mother, from the minute she arrived, she was invited to the library. She spoke, like she met all the Yiddish writers. So when I was born, Ida Maze wrote a poem on the event of my birth. It was published in the Canada Atlas, claim to fame. Um, but there were constant. Itzik Mange came when he visited Montreal. Um, I apparently met him, but I don't remember very well. Ravitch came very often with his wife Ruchel. Who else? Yehuda Elberg was part of that Sviva. Um, who else? Chaim Grade, my mother knew well, but Chaim Grade had, I'm sure you know, he had a problem with his wife. And so there was an incident in New York, which I won't go into now. But all the Yiddish writers, Singer, we met in New York. So she pretty much knew everyone who was a Yiddish writer at the time.
What was it like for you? Did you have any relationships with
With the
the writers?
writers, um, I was young, and like they were adults, and some of them were sort of pretty dour adults. Like Ravitch scared me a little bit because um, I met Singer, and we were on a trip to New York, and I had just read a Satan and Gory, but I read it in English, and I very proudly told Bashevas this, that I just read his book, and he said to me, "I've always wanted young people to read my work," and I took offense because at the time I didn't want to be called a young person. So, but I didn't. I don't know. I mean, I was too young to really interact with them very much. When I got older, it was a little bit different, but I didn't really. My mother knew Korn quite well too.